Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so report aba kamensa etrese woko Bono regional ekuro bi so aye frɛ no Nkrankwanta ewo Doma West District say MPP and NDC for akwa clash ama ende anam so ama MPP nibi we free ya na sa Doma Bono that Bono region hono I don't know the ewo ho a to say ehonkwa NDC ni MPP ntokwa ehonkwa NDC ni MPP ntokwa na nsen ya branch baako owuye sa branch no ono so Bono region ho na Banda which is also some part of Bono region and I just said we could see it when so Bono region ho baby a friend no Nkrankwanta and I deal with akwa akosi asem ne say voters registration we are done with the voters registration but once a lot of places me mamoti as say ebia me say me area say enye nkrofo bebre na nya ye but yewie ade no but ECA ye more part because nkrofo and areas bebre wo ho still there were a lot of people to do the registration we going to me anye nti ye bibia e friend more pap exercise na tell say ye the fast no mo so ye de omo aiden aka ho ya ending mum but more pap na nye bibia na ye wo just some selected places are easy na ehu ne say nkrof aha say de omo nkrofo bebre wo mo nyanye nti ye more pap e was our place no because easy ehu ne say nkrofo bebre nyanye still there are a lot of people there e was say wo mo ya omuntumi anye and then they didn't talk about between the MPP ni NDC na ye kochi we shika ni ye kochi we Bono ye ko tese wodwen ho kra wonte ase wodwen ho kra wonte ase na anam so e ma nipa ba ko ewu e ma nipa mienu they sustained a year gun injuries gunshot wounds as ankrofo mienu no mo sustaining gunshot wounds no ba ko ye MPP ni ba ko nso ye NDC ni and ya rush mo akọ hospital Aya Doma Ahinkro Presbyterian Hospital and Ayarashi Omwako. What is happening? A day Nacy. Then election bako and then meaning Ntokwase, especially Bono, Sa Bono play. So what is Bono Hono a dear and partner walk as a Debiana Ntokwasa? Bono region a dear and a walk. And a debia Ntokwasa MPP ni NDC for a dear any anyamo. Masa, a branch in a Kokokunu Wabanda will be this show. Our core teacher training. Wama pro mumoje ni ma branch in a teacher training as 7 prayers a fiance and a wofonzo eba betse ebia ejumane hodel. Because nanga fiance yebe postino as a teacher. Maybe at the end of the month, Tiana, Wapeka Krama, Ama Nene Mamene Papa. Some politics, MPP, NDC politics, are branch and one politician. What's a kamu? Echo baby, yes, baby, I walk on a NDC phone, the war huntino. Yawa branch and Sekai, Ekuno, just like that. Young guy, Ekuno, just like that. And once them up to land that, one more Yabubo Mudino, Omugusunamo. Up to land that, and once them Yankan ye, the Bakuna will free. Akwa say Nancy Amansia South DC asema wobeka no eya ye ne kre asema wobeka ya ma president Akufo-Addo besake no na eya ye ne kre office si Ghana se ni akwa kodui uma ho kwa na yeku a yeku free yanko du bebia no ka so ngalam say e no make his statement no akwa say eya ye ne kre se enya politics na yeku obi dia womo be enakra no police for investigation no go say later na asem no yenkonko hu echi akwan a lot of issues there na se politics te echi ni yekun obi forget it enkonko do who especially if the corporates are in the ruling government enkonko do who omaya ye pese ye omaya ye cheche no sa na ye pe no sa na ye pe no selective justice ene ye pe. Once it is a political crime, we hear the day yen chini pakuni ntum. What is this? Our registration ba kupa ya etutura sem sa aden. dia ya ne se wo mo agina etutu asem we yenim a wo mo ye ne ka no obekom kra no na tra se wo mo kra no they are not even taking the lion's share when it comes to power, winning power. They are not taking the lion's share. Wo mo ye some, excuse my language, mesrem mo fancha mo ye some bottom feeders be in a sense wo bi ase be e ende wakwakoye gidigidi awewu no nanka yamfa ne se MPP ana NDC wini was our constituency mo ya MPP ni na wewu nti yamfa se MPP e wini was our constituency na nanka wati asekra na obewu se nipa kro nkra won hye da em benefit match because bia wonye MP no ni relative MP no ni relative bi ni wo bekwakoye sa ade we ne ba onkonkoye ne ma wo mu nkonkoye wo mu ti wo mu baby enjoy life wo mu da swimming pool bi baby mu na mo mu aba ko ama wo mu papa nom na tese yakwa kokumu na mo papa nom o mu nyomu tire didim o mu asanso aba betina so asanso wia sika di agroka o ge okra wo ja ne hokra no wasanso akwa na aka ho. Is it worth it? Mbebunu no, is it worth it? Edieni. What is it? Is it a crime to register in this country? Is it a crime? Is it a crime to vote? Masa, Miriam the story bi bebremo Archbishop Duncan Williams. Eniso ade huni bi anyankopon eyi atre no. Etiefo ubebohu this December election na enyo no pe ene wo sofo awa wakasa ade no mama ba ti asese last me wo ho e na Ghana ni bia wo wa abrochi wono so nyankopon eyi otayi nyama tre no ofre me katem se melodies 2020 abato we die nyankopon eyi atre me ne yanhwe yi a die besi nye me yama de se na ka mema me ne no kra akasa na tese Ghana fo mu ehu chese daya wosun ye because onu so se ne daya bia wosun bia ebem me imagine say mema oni ya kasa but nas afi woni ni kunu ene ne sofo ekokasa e mo kasa dabi mo mba on air mo mba emba me kasa intino yintumi anya sa interview no ba wutie nsem ana wo ka kire me na enye easy ka na ni wo abrochi a wo frame me a wo kasa asem no me e sure say wo tie and Onumpono wonye the only person me ankasa me sofo kra aka say ade a wo hu wonani so this 2020 elections no but you see these things coming up no and no kra say ayanhwe ya sa nyama no kra no ebeba because common registration keke people are dying, people are being shot. Hey, me since me ni fear this year voters registration no me to me dem say me boaka say it has been the most violent one. Since many fear na videos ya de abo we trim na de dua abo we na we ye we na we ye we adan is voting a crime, is registering a crime. Bone ben aya asem ben emra na da ho if nipa ko no hu ne se e bia nkrofo a wo mo register enya ne nende isi ama ya ti asese ye se nkrofo be 60 bi wo mo free Ivory Coast ena wo mo aba register isi ye investigation no mo ye investigation no ye hwe na nkrofo ne free Ivory Coast a emra kwanya ye de o mo be fa so no ye de o mo be fa so emra na da ho se nipa ko no nya Ghana ni no oba be register. This is the way to go. Kwabra ne se dabi me mambra ne nya adwuma. Once I feel say nipa ko no nya Ghana ni me kontokwa. Once I feel say nipa ko no nya Ghana ni mi wo memu meti wo memu so nya self voters registration na ye we've thrown out the possibility of people even being dual citizens. We've thrown it out in the gutters. You see akwa say Ghana mrahye bedwafo enim said there is something called dual citizen. Why? Just because if the person is not a dual citizen of America and Ghana. You who say ni bakuni a dual citizen in America and a free America ba be register e be man register. Now so ni who say ni bakuno we a dual citizen no free Togo and no free Burkina Faso pay say hey yeah man register. Meanwhile the person is a dual citizen. Obetumi ato aba wo bebia. So what is it? nkuro bi wɔ hɔ a wɔn no it doesn't accept dual citizens but Ghana yɛn mmara no as far as I know it accepts. Nti ade ne yɛyɛ yɛn ho sɛ sɛbe yɛn kɔ school ade ne yɛyɛ yɛn ho sɛ yɛn nim deɛ ɛrekɔ so. So politicians ne bɛfa sɛ yakɔ akɔbaase nkurɔfo bi abase kɔyɛ wei a no waka tɛm sɛ mesrɛ sɛ wɔn mba ɛne wɔn yere wɔ fie because adeɛ ne sɛ politician wɔ ba bɛwi ni a ne ma ne ne yere ne ne girlfriends na ebedi dɛw no wo deɛ wɔ nim wo ɛna maka no wodi agorɔ ka wo girl kora bɛba bɛfa na ka ho wodi agorɔ wo girl ɔbɛba bɛfa na ka ho. So what is it? What is your problem? Mmebunu no yensi anyansa